Hello everybody, welcome to EPRAM for this evening. I am Bryn Messia has been certified silver in the United Kingdom. The St. Kitts-based dancehall artist got his first UK certification Friday, thanks to his hit single Taliban's 8 months after its release. According to the British Phonographic Industry BPI, the song was issued the Brit Certified Silver Award after selling over 200,000 units. The single, which appeared on Messiah's No Love album, spent 13 weeks on the UK singles chart and also reached number 3 on the Billboard Reggae albums chart. Taliban's Do, a summer remix with African superstar Burna Boy, debuted at number 99 on the US Billboard Hot 100 charts. Now, Sean Paul gets his first ever Latin music nod. The Grammy Award-winning artist has been nominated in the Crossover Artist of the Year category, which also features Justin Timberlake, Lil Jon, and Marshmello. Sean Paul has made many inroads in the Latin market. Just last week, his August release collab, Nina Bonita, with Colombian singer Faid spent his second week in the #1 spot on the Billboard Latin Rhythm Airplay chart. In 2014, his Latin crossover single, Fashion Wine featuring Farruko, spent a week on top of the Latin Rhythm Airplay chart. Then in 2017, his collab with Latin superstar Enrique Iglesias and Decimer Bueno peaked at #1. The international dancehall superstar has seen international success with his crossover collabs with Sia, Clean Bandit, Nicki Minaj, Beyonce, Rihanna, and many others. Congrats to Sean Paul. Now, still on the Billboard Latin Music Awards, Mexican sensation Peso Pluma leads the list of finalists for the 2023 Billboard Latin Music Awards with 21 nods across 15 categories, including Artist of the Year, Songwriter of the Year, Global 200 Latin Artist of the Year, and Top Latin Album of the Year. Bad Bunny and Grupo Frontera ties for second with 50 nods each. Bad Bunny has Artist of the Year, Tour of the Year, Global 200 Latin Artist of the Year, Global 200 Latin Song of the Year, while Grupo Frontera is listed for Artist of the Year, Global 200 Latin Artist of the Year, Latin Song of the Year, and Still Song of the Year. The group's collab with Bad Bunny has 4 nods, including for Regional Mexican Song of the Year. Now, Karol G leads with 13 nods for the ladies across Artist of the Year, Tour of the Year, and Top Latin Album of the Year. Her collaboration with the Shakira is up for 5 awards, including Hot Latin Song of the Year and Latin Airplay Song of the Year. Shakira herself has 12 nods, which includes Hot Latin Song of the Year, Female, and Latin Pop Artist of the Year. The Billboard Latin Music Awards, slated for this October in Florida, celebrates and recognizes the most exceptional talent in the dynamic Latin music industry for 2023. That's it for EPRAM this evening. I am Bryn. Thank you for watching.